Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I had a woodland themed cake that I needed to decorate, but I have a hard time working with a piping bag and frosting, so I wanted some animals that would add an adorable element of fun to my woodland themed cake. These are exactly what I was looking for. This is a wide variety of little woodland animals, mushrooms, and trees. I'm so happy with the faces. They're made of resin. So some of them I placed on the cake and others I placed around the base of the cake. Now the trees themselves were a little bit smushed in the packaging, but I was easily able to fluff them up and I thought they looked very realistic. Those trees I placed at the base of the cake because sometimes some of the little pieces of the tree would come off and I didn't want it to land in the frosting, but I was able to place it at the base of the cake and I'm very pleased with how they looked. And they're so well made that after the cake was eaten and I took them off of the cake, I decided they were just too cute to let them go into a drawer. So I repurposed them by placing them in some of my houseplants and I'm really happy with how they look. So if you have a woodland themed cake that you need to decorate, this is effortless and the sweetest little decorations that you can add. They were really easy for me to place all over the cake, and I love the fact that they're made of a resin material, so I'm not worried about transferring anything into the frosting. And they're so cute, I decided to use them in some of my houseplants. So you can use them as cake toppers, or you can put them in your houseplants too. They're really sweet and adorable, and that is my point of view.